we of course go back a long way during your Maruti days. Thank you, Tamanna, for being here. Uh, I'm just very happy to be here because Filmfare Awards are something that I've grown up watching. And when I had the dream of becoming a film actor one day in class, must be 8th, ninth, the other dream I had was that one day I wish I could also be on that film fair stage, and I wish one day I could also hold this black lady. And luckily, I have some, I think 6 of them now. So I'm very happy that Filmfare. I think as we were talking outside, are the only few awards, or maybe the awards left in the country who have a lot of respect and a lot of value. Every actor, a newcomer, a senior one, they all wish, I'm sure they all wish somewhere that, we wish that we get this film fair this year as well. So that's the respect, that's the tradition, that's the value that film fair carries. And I'm very happy to be here today and to announce the 70th Hyundai Film Fair Awards with Gujarat Tourism. And I'm going to be there for sure. And I'm very excited to see Shah Rukh sir performing after a while. So can't wait to be in Gujarat on 11th of October.
I was performing for one particular South film fair. Shah Rukh ji was supposed to be in the audience, and I was going to dance to Chammak Chalo. And I had cold feet, like a person can have, because I'm like, I have to do Chammak Chalo in front of Shah Rukh. I think I'm having cold feet. So I have in the van said, हम लोग यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ perform, मुझे tension हो रही है, मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. And I'd been an actor, a proper mainstream actor, done all the kind of movies, done so much work, but I had totally, like, I think there was a caravan outside the venue where we performed, so I was rehearsing inside my caravan and people could only see the caravan like jumping from outside. And then I finally did perform, and it was one of my most fun performances, watching Shah Rukh in the front and me performing. So that's one of my most memorable film fairs where I performed. Another film fair was I gave a tribute to Prabhu Devaji. And it was a incredible, electrifying night. And I feel like for actors, we perform for the big screen. That's a very different kind of performance. But I, as an actor, always looked forward to performing on stage, because I am also like a theater artist, so I have that love for stage, and that will always be. So whenever I would perform for Filmfare, I would be like, एक लंबा act करना है, एक अच्छा बड़ा act करना है, and then we would find ways of how we could creatively lace it. So I think Filmfare as an award ceremony, it celebrates movies, actors, technicians, the whole ecosystem that creates movies. And that night, I swear to God, it's one of those nights that every movie industry person looks forward to. And unfortunately, this year I won't be making it, but I did make it for this beautiful afternoon with all of you. I am just happy that, thank you, Jitesh, thank you for thinking of me for this wonderful afternoon. And what I'm really, really more happy about, Raj, is that I get to share the stage with you. I truly do believe Rajkumar Rao is one of the finest actors we have in the country. He is somebody who brings so much innocence to the kind of characters he plays, and I have had the good fortune of being with him for a few frames in Stree. The kind of comedy, the kind of innocence you bring, I mean, I'll be honest with you, as an audience, I've only seen Shah Rukh sir back in the day have that sort of charisma, innocence, as a leading man having innocence. I think for me that is so desirable. And thank you for always showing us how it's done and playing these amazing characters, which I really look up to. And this afternoon is particularly special for me. And thank you to the media, because you guys are always so supportive, and you guys have always been there. And this wonderful stage full of dignitaries we have. Thank you, Tarun sir. I just don't want to mess up names, because thank you, Rajendra sir, and thank you. And Rohit sir. But thank you, Rohit sir, mostly for showing us that amazing Filmfare copy from I don't know how many years ago. 1952. And I think this, for me, these moments are incredibly special, because I think maybe if we again meet 10 years later on Filmfare, inshallah, we meet 10 years later and we'll still be looking at these amazing moments. So thank you for making this super special and thank you for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
ओ अंकल बैठ जाओ नीचे
मगर ज़माने में जमाने में. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Gujarat Tourism and to our title partner Hyundai Motor India Limited for their invaluable support in making this might. Thank you so very much.